Everyone, and welcome back to Forex Scope, your go-to channel for in-depth Forex analysis and trading insights. Today, we're diving deep into the EURGBP pair, breaking down its movements on both the 15-minute and 1-minute timeframes. If you're looking for clear signals, actionable buy sell opportunities, and a glimpse into future price trends, you're in the right place. Before we get started with the charts, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our daily analyses. Let's get straight to it. The support zone at the price level between 0.87703 and 0.87725 is identified as a significant area of demand. This zone is characterized by multiple price interactions, notably evident in the period around October 31, 2025, 1845 to October 31, 2025, 19 o'clock. During this time, the price oscillated between a low of 0.87701 and a high of 0.87732. Indicating a period of consolidation and indecision where buyers stepped in to prevent further declines. The presence of candles with significant lower wicks suggests that sellers attempted to push the price lower, but were met with strong buying pressure, leading to a reversal or stalling of the downward momentum. This repeated testing of this price range and the subsequent rebounds signify a strong area where the price has historically found buyers, making it a crucial level to monitor for potential reversals or pauses in a downtrend. The concentration of trading activity within this tight range further reinforces its importance as a support zone. The candles in this range, with their substantial lower shadows and relatively small bodies, clearly illustrate the battle between buyers and sellers, with buyers ultimately showing dominance. The resistance zone, located between the price of 0.88019 and 0.88045, stands out as a significant barrier to upward price movement. This area is highlighted by price action observed between October 31, 2025, 10 o'clock and October 31, 2025, 10:30. During this interval, the price attempted to break higher but encountered strong selling pressure, as indicated by the high of 0.88067 and a low of 0.88013 within this period. The formation of candles with notable upper wicks suggests that as the price attempted to ascend, sellers aggressively stepped in, pushing the price back down. This indicates a supply imbalance at these elevated levels, where the selling interest outweighs the buying interest, preventing a sustained move higher. The repeated failure of the price to decisively break through this zone and the subsequent retreats point to a strong area of supply where traders are willing to sell, thus creating resistance. The presence of prominent selling wicks on the candles within this zone is a clear visual cue of this resistance. This zone represents a level where previous attempts to advance were rejected, making it a key area to watch for potential reversals or consolidations. The resistance zone is identified around the price level of 0.87772 to 0.87774. This area shows a clear congestion of price action between the timestamps 176-213-9220 and 176-213-9340, with the highest price reaching 0.87772 and the lowest price touching 0.87767 during this period. Several candles in this vicinity exhibit indecision or a struggle to break above this level, particularly noticeable at 3 hours and 7 minutes where the price moved from 0.87770 to 0.87772 and at 3 hours and 9 minutes where it went from 0.87772 down to 0.87767. The resistance is formed as price struggled to sustain levels above 0.87772, indicating a significant barrier to upward movement. The upper Bollinger Band also hovers around these values during this period, reinforcing the notion of limited upward potential. This price action suggests that sellers are active in this range, preventing the EURGBP from pushing higher and creating a notable ceiling for the pair. The limited upward momentum and the multiple rejections from this price band solidify its significance as a resistance area, reflecting a temporary pause or reversal in the immediate trend. The support zone is identified around the price level of 0.87749 to 0.87753. This area displays clear signs of accumulation and multiple touchbacks between the timestamps 176-213-4900 and 176-213-5140, where the highest price reached 0.87757 and the lowest price touched 0.87747. The price action between 1 hour and 55 minutes and 1 hour and 58 minutes shows instances where the price repeatedly tested this band, for example at 1 hour and 55 minutes from 0.87756 to 0.87750, at 1 hour and 56 minutes from 0.87750 to 0.87748, and at 1 hour and 57 minutes from 0.87748 to 0.87751. This repeated interaction signifies a level where buyers are stepping in to prevent further declines, creating a floor for the EURGBP. The lower Bollinger Band also approaches these levels, suggesting a potential reversal or consolidation in this region. The tendency for the price to bounce off this area indicates a strong buying interest that is willing to defend these price points. The presence of multiple candles interacting with this band, without a decisive break below it for an extended period, underscores its importance as a support level. This zone represents an area where the balance of power shifts, favoring buyers and halting the downward trend in the short term. The EURGBP pair is currently consolidating around the 0.87772 mark, a critical level that has seen significant price action in the recent 1-minute timeframe, mirroring the resistance zone identified at 0.87772 to 0.87774. This tight trading range, characterized by a series of small-bodied candles and minor price fluctuations, suggests indecision in the market. The Fibonacci retracement levels, with the initial price at 0.87772 and a subsequent dip to 0.87768, indicate a potential for a minor pullback before a possible continuation. The proximity to the identified support at 0.87749 to 0.87753 means that any downward movement is likely to be met with buying interest. However, the price is currently hovering near the upper bound of the Bollinger Bands, suggesting that upward momentum might be limited in the immediate short term. The presence of the resistance at 0.87772 to 0.87774, coupled with the current price trading at the edge of it, could lead to a brief period of price discovery. If the price can break convincingly above 0.87774, a move towards higher resistance levels could ensue. Conversely, a failure to break through could see a retest of the lower support zone. The low tick volume in the early trading minutes of November 3, 2025 suggests a lack of strong conviction from either buyers or sellers, contributing to this sideways movement. The overall sentiment leans towards a cautious approach, with potential for both upward and downward fluctuations within the established ranges, creating opportunities for zigzag price patterns.